Welcome. If you don't see this little red live button, that means you are watching the replay. So go ahead and comment #replay so I know you've watched. Hopefully this video will go okay. My new router is not in yet, but it should be in tomorrow. So let me get this shared. Hey, Missy. Alrighty. Hey, Jenny. How y'all doing? Hey, everybody. Hopefully you can hear me better. Let me know. Jenny, Missy, can y'all hear me? Can y'all see me okay? How's the lighting? So remember, guys, as you are coming in, say hello and share this video if you're not a designer. If you share, let me know you shared. I will double check after the live. And your name will go into the bucket for the drawing at the end of the month. So we've got a giveaway. Oh, awesome, awesome. We've got a giveaway going at the end of the month. So you want to get in there. So if you're not a designer, please share the video and let me know you've done it and your name's going in there. All right. So y'all, I totally missed the ball on St. Patrick's Day. Normally, I would have done my St. Patrick's Day decorating projects earlier. With everything going on, totally forgot. I do have my glittery green Lucky shirt on though. Or my green today. So I'm actually going to do a project with some older transfers tonight. I'm actually using our vintage truck. Hey, Angie. And I'm going to use some shamrocks. I couldn't think of their name, guys. From the spring add-on from last year. We now have a new spring add-on. So, and guys, right now is the time to take advantage. If you want some transfers, buy 3, get your 4th free. Yes, you heard me. Buy 3, get your 4th free. Great sale. Great sale. So, I want to use this Odette board because I want to put it on a whiteboard. So I need to erase the current project. Let me show y'all how easy this is to do that. Then take my water, my distilled water. It doesn't have to be distilled when you're erasing, but I just use distilled for everything. So I'm going to take my distilled water and just spritz this down. Let it wait for a little bit. Let me grab a paper towel. And we're going to take our scraper tool, which is life right now for me. I love this tool. And guys, that chalk, that paste is going to scrape up. Look at that. It's just going to scrape up. How neat is that? Now, because this is all black, I'm gonna have a few more steps to do to clean it up. But so worth it to use the scraper. Because I feel like when you don't use the scraper, I go through so many wipes, baby wipes and everything, and especially now, trying to like hoard some of those. Because you never know. So who wore their green today for St. Patrick's Day? Hey, Melissa. Let me know if you wore your green. You forgot to use yours. It's like the best thing. I love this thing. Okay. Eggs. Oh, I know. I know. Yes, lots of baby wipes without the scraper. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Hey, Robert. Lots and lots of baby wipes without the scraper tool. I love this tool. You forgot, you know, I kind of did too until I looked at the date and I'm like, oh, it's St. Patrick's Day. And even though I'm home all day and I was by myself all day, still wore my green just to, you know. You were nervous, girl. You did amazing. I'm sorry, you did amazing. You need to not be down on yourself. You did amazing. Don't be nervous. All right, grab another. For those of y'all that don't know, Missy is a designer on my team, and she just recently started doing lives, and I'm so proud of her. She's doing amazing. Y'all know I like to give a shout out to my team because I've got some amazing ladies. All right, so I'm going to take now my board eraser and go over this. And I think I need some more water because that black is tough. Hey, Caitlin. Oh, thank you, Jenny. This black is tough to get out. There we go. Tough to get out. So remember, guys, as you're coming in, share this video for a chance to get in the giveaway at the end of the month. Let me know you've shared. And guys, you do have to share. You really have to share. You can't just say you shared, okay? Because I do check at the end. Oh, you're welcome, Missy. It's true. Thanks, Caitlin. It is so true. You're doing amazing. Y'all, I'm so excited. My new router comes in tomorrow. Maybe I'll have perfect internet. Hey, Kelly. Hey, Holly. Welcome, y'all. Come on in. We're getting ready to do our St. Patrick's Day project with our vintage truck. All right, so look at that. All erased and a brand new board. All right. So, we're going to start off with the truck. And I'm not going to fuzz this, guys, because look, my truck is like well used. Y'all, I've used this sucker so much. It is just non-existent. Like, I have a new one, but I'm just like, I want to get as much use out of this one as possible. Aw, thank you, girl. I try. Alright. Yeah, it's barely sticky. Like, when I say barely. But let me see. Where is this gonna... I want to make sure that this is going to be in the right spot. I really want the tires to be, so probably about there. So this is the bottom part, or the what do you call it? Like the panel of the truck. I thought about doing buffalo plaid because we do have a truck pattern buffalo plaid, but I think I'm just gonna go with the solid panel. Let me make sure I've got this. It looks even. Okay. So I want to, because it has such a large silk screen, I want to make sure I don't have any bubbles, any air bubbles. I feel like I feel some. Let me see if I can take a squeegee and just go over that. See if I can smooth that out. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to make this a St. Patrick's Day truck. So I'm going to use a green. I pulled out 3 greens. Rainforest, Meadow, and Spring Zing. So I'm thinking I may want to use Spring Zing for the truck. I think I'm going to use Spring Zing. Alright. This is one of our new colors. It might need a little work to it because it is brand new and I've never used it. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can hear this. When you're stirring a new paste, there's like a snap, crackle, pop. So you want to stir it until you don't hear that. You want your paste to be smooth. You want your paste to be of the consistency of cake batter. This one feels like it's a good consistency, but let's see how it's a little thick. It's not really dropping. So I'm gonna add some distilled water, just a little, in my paste, and just stir that in. Ah, that feels a lot better. Okay. So I'm just going to drop some of this paste down towards the top of the silk screen. Then I'm going to move that up. Then I'm going to take my squeegee. Hey, Craig. I didn't think you were coming on. I'm going to take my squeegee and we're going to spread that paste to cover the silk screen. So we want to make sure, ooh, and that's okay. That's okay, I'm good. I was thinking about the tires, but I think I'm good because I'm gonna leave those green, and then the outside of the tires I'll do black. I always mess up my truck tires, but that's okay. It's whatever color you want to do. So once you've got it all on there, you want to scrape off all of your excess and just put that right back into your jar. Okay, and let's see what we got. And I might have went over right here, and that's okay, because I can erase that. Hey, Pat. All right, we've got our bottom part, or our panel part of our truck. Now you see how I went over there? I'm just gonna take a wipe and wipe that off because our paste is removable with water. There we go. All right, so let me clean my squeegee. Craig, don't forget to share. Guys, remember, share the video. If you're not a designer, let me know you've shared, and your name will go into my monthly drawing. I'm seeing a lot of the same names. Not that I don't love it, I love it. But I want all of y'all to share. We got to get this out there. Okay, so I'm going to, because I have to layer this, I'm going to go ahead and dry it with my hair dryer. Got a little bit right there too. I'm just going to. Anytime you have to layer a transfer, you want to make sure that bottom layer is dry. Because you do run a risk of pulling up your paste with the adhesive. Alright. Still a little sticky. We're going to let it dry a little more. While this is drying, I want to show y'all. I don't know who all was here a few nights ago when I did the pillow that I said I was going to give for Chandler. And we talked about what was going to go on the other side. I did take a picture and post it. So we did this pillow as a live, right? And this is going to my grandbaby, Chandler. Well, he is a Thomas the Train fanatic. So today I did a watercolor technique and I made Thomas the Train on this side. So all I have left to do, I have to heat set it. It's been drying. I want to make sure it's completely dry before I heat set it. And then put the stuffing in and he's going to have a pillow. Oh, thanks, Angie. And he's going to have a pillow. So I thought it came out super cute. Hey, Christina. I thought it came out super cute. Now I can't get back over there. Okay. I'm dropping stuff, y'all. Let me get this up over here. Alrighty. Hopefully this is dry enough. So we are going to take the top portion of the truck. And as y'all can see, like I told y'all, it's well used. So let's line this up. I like to try to line it up. Tires. Okay, I think I got it. And I just want to make sure, bye Craig, I just want to make sure I don't want to be any air bubbles. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the top part of the truck in black. So let's give our black a stir. Thanks, Missy. I think he'll love it. He won't understand what the other side says yet, but I think he's gonna be excited for the trains. Alright, so let's drop that paste down. Okay. And I got green all over me. And again, spread that paste with our squeegee. and make sure all of your silkscreen is covered. Oh, and I totally got it off the transfer again. But it's okay. Yeah, he will once he can learn how to read. He's too funny, guys. He calls me every day. Every day. I asked him today if he was wearing his green for St. Patrick's Day. Yes, ma'am. I said, okay, because if not, I'm gonna go. I get to pinch you. And he says, well, you have to come over first. Ah, that looks cool. Okay, let me get my boo-boo. That looks really cool. I will hold it up in just a minute. Yeah, and I can tell I'm going to have trouble with him when the new baby comes, when Jolie comes. Because, I don't know, he's so jealous. Gonna have some Mimi issues. This looks so good. I'm glad I chose that green. That neon, like, it looks like a neon green. Isn't that cute? I love this. Can y'all see? Can y'all see that color? I love that green. All right. Let me hit this with the hairdryer and help it out. I love this vintage truck. This vintage truck is one of the reasons that a lot of people join Couture, for this truck. And I love that it has a distressed look. Oh, exactly, Missy. Exactly. Like, I think purple and yellow go so good together. Who else thinks that purple and yellow go really, really good together? I'm just giving Missy crap because she's an Alabama fan and I'm LSU. And on her live earlier, I suggested yellow with her purple, but she didn't go for it. Alright, so I think I'm going to do my words next before I do my shamrocks in my truck. See, I have little shamrocks that are going to go in the back of the truck, but I'm going to do loads of and then luck on the top. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that first. And again, I've used this a bunch also, so I don't know. It's a little sticky. Let's go ahead and fuzz it. So does silver and blue. Well, there you go. You see? I think silver and blue looks really good, even though I prefer gold and black, but you know. Don't be coming on my live and saying that, Missy. Jenny, where's my backup? So I'm going to fuzz this a little. This is our fuzzing cloth. It is terry cloth on one side and microfiber on the other side. And the reason I want to fuzz it is because if it's too sticky, it could actually stretch your transfer when you're pulling it up. I did not fuzz the truck because I've used it so much that the stickiness is pretty gone on it. Yay, Melissa! Caitlin, are you still here? She's LSU also. I love you, Missy. It's all in good fun, y'all. All in good fun. All right. Oops, I'm shedding. My hair's right on there. Okay. So I just want to put this in the middle. I'm going to put it up close to the top. And make sure I've got it centered. Looks good. Okay. So I think that I'm going to use Meadow, which is my medium color green that I pulled out. So I also have a darker green on these words. And then on the word luck, I'm going to use Shimmer Gold. Kind of like the gold coins, you know. Okay? So let's do it. All in good fun. All right, so we're going to stir up my paste. This Meadow is this is such a pretty green. This is kind of like I guess like a Kelly green. You can actually put a little bit distilled water. Oh, Melissa, don't get her started. All right. So let's get some paste down on here. And I'm going to take my squeegee and just cover all that silkscreen. And then again, scrape off the excess back into our jar. So guys, if you'd like more information, all of my links are in the description of the video. Yes, ma'am, all in fun. Because y'all know I love y'all. Also, if you have any questions, it was the Spring Zing. Spring Zing on the truck, Jenny. And Jenny, where were you a minute ago? Oops, my D is not good. So I'm going to put some more paste and on my D here because it looks like it did not go through. Hey, Emily. All right. Hey, Miss Glenda. So let's get the squeegees clean. This is looking so cute. Oh no, what okay. Alright. I might be a little late. What are you doing tonight? Actually, I might not be. I don't have much left. Okay, let me dry this. Oh. He was just exploring. Okay. So we're going to do our look. And I think I'll probably have to fuzz this one, because it looks like I haven't used it. Or I might have used it once. Yeah, it's super sticky. Ooh. Very sticky. Okay, so let's get this fuzzed. Yeah, this one's big time sticky. This is one of our older ones. Like I said, this transfer is from our spring add-on for our vintage truck from last season, from last year. We have a new spring add-on this year in the new catalog. Guys, if you're interested in a new catalog, in a physical copy, you can actually go to my Facebook page, and at the very top in the announcements, there is a Google form that you can fill out and request a catalog. And it's basically, it's just filling out your name and address. But I will happily send you a catalog. And once I get my stock back up and running, I'm gonna have mini kits available again. I haven't ordered anything to make them. It's just me being lazy or wanting other things. Let's be honest, I wanted other stuff. Alright, I think this might be okay. Alright, let's see. Hopefully that is dry. And let's just line this up where we want it. My hair, y'all, I swear. Just want to make sure this is even. Looks good. Oh, Melissa, are you still here? What are you going to do now the casinos are closed? No more bingo. Hey, Kathleen. Melissa, you were the first one I thought of when they said all the casinos were going to be closed. We're getting our St. Patty's Day on. Alright, so we got our look. It's going to be in shimmer gold, like our golden coins. Ran to Kroger. Did Kroger have anything? Craig Craig stopped at Walmart on his way home from work today. Just to kind of see if they had some basic things, and like, he said they rarely had anything. There was no meat at all. Yeah, I don't know. He was able to get a gallon of milk and a carton of almond milk for me because I don't drink regular milk. Oh, and he found, the most important thing, where are you? He found the most important thing though for me, and he surprised me with mint Kit Kats because I love those chocolate mint Kit Kats. And he's like, they had those. He's so good to me. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all. Yeah, that's how it's at the commissary. Oh, fresh fruits, no milk, no dairy. Lots of cheese. And that's what a lot of people have been saying. No meat anywhere. Look how cute so far. I love this. I wanted him to see if they had bread, to get bread. Because, you know, I can survive on like peanut butter and jelly, and I have two big. And they had, he said very minimal bread. They didn't have a lot to choose from. And they didn't have the kind I like, because I like a very specific bread. I like the, it's called butter bread. I don't know if anybody's ever had the butter bread, and it's from Nature's Own. I love that bread. Well, they didn't have any, so he had to get like, I think it's bunny bread, like just the regular white bread. So I'm like, okay, I'll just have to make do. Bread is bread right now. I love shimmer gold too. One of my favorite. I love the shimmers. Shimmer gold, shimmer copper. Love them. Okay. So now I'm going to do the little shamrocks coming out the back of the truck. And I'm probably going to have to fuzz that. Alrighty. If I can peel it off its backer. There we go. Ooh, yeah, that's very sticky. Like I said, I don't think I've used this one before because I don't remember ever doing the shamrocks last year. Oh, no meat at Kroger or Target and no eggs. I ended up, I don't know if Walmart has eggs. My last doctor's appointment I had to go to, I stopped at one of my favorite grocery stores, Rouse's. We don't have one here. But there's one in Moss Bluff that I love. And I stopped there on the way home from Lake Charles. And they had their 18 packs. Yes, it's so good, Caitlin. I love butter bread. Rouse's in Moss Bluff had the 18 large eggs for 99 cents. So I grabbed that. If I'd have known then what I know now, I probably would have bought 2 of them. But we don't use a lot of eggs. But you know what? Every once in a while, for dinner, I like to make scrambled eggs. All right, Missy. Love you, girl. Good night. Yeah, we discovered butter bread. Kind of just, we were looking for some, I was tired of just white bread. Like, it was so hard to find a white bread that I just liked. And I tried all kinds of brands. And I don't care for wheat bread. So I saw the butter bread, and I'm like, let me try that. And we both fell in love with it. And for Craig to like something other than white bread, I was like, yes. Because he's very particular. Craig tends to stick with what he knows from growing up. And I like to try new stuff. So. Alrighty, let's put these little shamrocks. Let's see. Ooh, hopefully it didn't. Let me try that. I never had potato bread. I don't know if we even have potato bread. Like, I've never seen it. I forgot to dry my word luck. So I didn't think it was gonna, this transfer was gonna go that far. I'm gonna be careful with it. Okay. I'm gonna do, Melissa, you're gonna like this. And when I say that, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a hot mess on the shamrocks. We're gonna use all 3 greens. So let me grab some meadow here. Just put my little greens down. Get our rainforest, and I haven't used it. Ooh, okay. I was getting worried. I'm like, it looks really thick. It's fine. Just needs to stir. Just needs to stir. Just haven't used it in a while. I used this one a lot during Christmas. This dark green, because it reminds me of a Christmas green, an evergreen. Put a little of that bright green, our spring zing. Trying to get it off my stir stick without interrupting all the other colors. Okay. So now, grab the white, so I have something to wipe it in. Gonna take my squeegee and we're gonna do our little marble effect here. Alright, so let's peel that up. Yay! Look at that. Isn't that so cute? I think it's cute for our St. Patrick's truck. Alright guys, now I was going to do maybe some little I have some little shamrocks that I could put over here also, I think. What do y'all think? Maybe do some little, just kind of thanks, Jenny. Thanks, Pat. Let me see. Let's do these in, I'll do them in different colors. Oh my gosh, the cat is at the door. Do y'all hear her? She's so just going to do them all this color. Get that lighter green. She does, but she's something else. Get off my finger. Alright. We are done. Oh my goodness, let me close this up. And I love it. I love how this turned out, guys. What do y'all think? I think it's so cute. Okay, Emily. Hey, Marina. What do y'all think? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So remember, if you want to be entered into the drawing, as long as you're not a designer, go ahead and share this video. Let me know you've shared it. And your name is going to go in the bucket. And we're doing the drawing at the end of the month. So it's going on all month long. And remember, guys, for more information, all of my links are in the description. So, I think this is so cute. The truck is still available on my website. The spring add-on, unfortunately, is a different one, but there is one available. So, thanks, Pat. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all had a great day. Y'all have a great rest of your night. And everybody, stay safe, stay healthy. I will see you tomorrow night. I love you all. Y'all have a great night. Bye.